Hello, today I'll be going over how to properly mow a lawn in Alaska. The overview for this video is picking the right equipment, how to repair that equipment, how to prep the lawn, mowing the lawn, how to have a clean look to the yard, and finishing up. For picking the right equipment, there are two questions that you need to ask yourself. What size yard do I have? And is there shrubbery or trees in my yard? This is to help determine the right equipment needed for mowing your yard. Right now, we will go over the types of equipment that are out there for mowing yards. First off, we'll go over types of lawnmowers that are out there. Riding lawnmowers. These are very useful for large lawns. This has a gas-powered engine and an optional bagger for the grass clippings. Self-propelled lawnmowers. These are good for medium to small lawns. It has a gas-powered engine, and the sizes of these engines do vary. It has an optional grass clippings bag. Push mowers, also called a walk-behind mower. It has a gas-powered engine, and the sizes do vary on these also. This is very similar to a self-propelled mower, but as the name suggests, there is more effort required. Electric mower. It is powered by electricity, and depending on the design of the mower you have, it either uses a cord or a battery. These electric mowers can either be a push mower or a self-propelled mower. Manual push mowers. There is no engine on these ones, and depending on the brand you get, there could be a grass clippings bag on it. Now we will discuss the types of weed whackers that are out there. Gas-powered weed whacker. It is a two-cycle engine. This means that it requires a gas-oil mixture. Electric weed whacker. It is powered by electricity and either uses a cord or a battery. Now we will talk about preparing the equipment. We will choose the self-propelled gas lawnmower because this is the best fit for a medium-sized lawn. It also has a bag attachment. First, we'll check the oil and see if it needs to be replaced. We'll check the oil using a dipstick. If the oil is a light brown, you are good to go. If the oil is black, we will need to replace that oil. Next, we will check and fill the lawnmower with gas, if it is needed. Also, when you first start the lawnmower, you'll need to prime the engine by pressing the red bulb the recommended amount of times after filling the tank with gas. For weed whackers, we will choose the gas-powered weed whacker. It is the best fit for the yard that we are mowing right now. It is a little bit heavier than the electric weed whacker, but it has better quality and it is easier to deal with. For preparing the weed whacker, as I mentioned earlier, it requires a two-cycle mixture. And the chart on the right side shows the correct mixture of gas to oil. For weed whacking, we will weed whack around the edges of the house, the fences, and around trees and bushes that might be in your yard. This helps give it a clean look. Preparing for the lawn mowing, you'll need to remove toys, power cords, and gutters that are in the yard so that you'll not break your lawnmower while you're mowing. Mowing. The proper way to mow is to mow 2 times around the edges of the yard, and then if you want a professional look, you mow at an angle. And use grass clippings bag to collect the grass. Because in Alaska, we need to collect the grass. The grass does not turn into mulch unlike hotter states, because the grass does not decompose, which kills the grass and gives the grass an unhealthy look. And to have a clean look for your yard, sweep the driveway and the road next to your yard, if you have a road next to your yard, and put the gutters back to make it look nicely done. And for finishing up, you will need to clean up your lawnmower and your weed whacker by rinsing them off with a hose. And then when you're done cleaning them up, you'll store them in the shed and they'll be ready for the next time.